Find the ACC on the tail wire of the 360. The 12V power supply also has a GND. Clamp ACC and 12V to the positive pole of the power supply, and GND to the negative pole of the power supply. And then wait for the device to turn on. Four cameras are installed on the front, back, left and right of the 360 host. The screen cable is connected to the screen. Find the aviation header with 6 pin on one end and 6 pin in the middle. After connecting, AHD1 is connected to 360 CVBS underscore out of the 360 host. And AHD2 does not need to be connected.
DVR 接到 DVR 找到尾线。
Find the MDVR tail line CAM1 and connect it to 360 CHD underscore out. The 360 picture will be displayed on MDVR channel 1. The red aviation head of the sound and light alarm is connected to the ALM of the 360 host. After the connection, the 360 tail line has 3 trigger lines. The right turn trigger line is the reversing trigger. Then connect the left turn trigger line. And when the reversing trigger line touches the high level of the 360, the reversing auxiliary line will appear. When someone is detected, the audible and visual alarm will emit an alarm sound. When turning right or left, contacting high level will amplify the corresponding channel.